the hidden causes of hair loss, how some solutions can create additional problems that you don't want. Now, has anybody told you yet that hair toppers, even though they work, even though millions of people love them and they give you more hair, but as a side effect, they create additional hair loss. They speed up hair loss. Here's the details. Think of this logically. When you're putting something on top of your hair, you're covering. If you're covering your hair, you're smothering your hair. So let's give you an example. Let's say you plant a flower and you give it water and sun. Great, it's going to grow. But periodically, you cover it with a bucket. The bucket's going to smother it and fight against it breathing and growing. It's the same as your scalp. Your scalp needs to breathe. It needs access to the scalp. So if you allow the scalp to breathe and you're not covering it, now it's a safe way to add hair. Now, in addition to that, toppers, which are simply hair pieces with a new name called hair toppers, even though they're loved by millions of women, they do cover the hair and create hair loss from the covering. Plus, if you attach it with clips, when you're attaching something on top of your head, the clips need to be big to be able to hold the weight of something on top of your head. So now it's smothering your hair and the clips are also wearing down your hair. If you go a step further and you even have it bonded on or put on with beads, now that topper is staying on 24/7 and it's going to speed up hair loss even more. So the longer you cover, the faster you speed up additional hair loss. That's exactly what we don't want. I'm a hairdresser, hair loss expert for over 35 years. I've witnessed this and seen it thousands of times over and over. So you're better off not wearing any topper, or if you want a way of filling in your hair, you have to look into a technology that adds hair in between your existing hair, giving your scalp full access to your scalp. You need 100% full access to your entire scalp, even if you're going to add hair. So if you add hair in between your existing hair and you're able to feel your scalp, now you're going to have more hair.
Whenever I used to style my hair, I used to pin it up. I used to put powder in my hair, fibers. I used to part it certain ways, comb it certain ways. And now it's overwhelming how beautiful I feel that I don't have to think about those things anymore. I could just style and go.
And also, your scalp's going to breathe and your hair is going to grow freely. Or if you use any treatments, you'll be able to use treatments with no interruption. If you wear a hair topper and you also do hair growing treatments, it's working against it. All right. I just had a recent client. That was a new client. She was wearing a topper and saying she's using some sort of treatment to grow her hair, and the treatment is starting to grow her hair. And I had to explain to her, even though it's starting, you're smothering it. It's like giving the flower water and sun and then sticking a bucket on it. Yeah, it might grow, but it's working against it. So you see that point? Please understand the first point, important point of adding hair is keep the existing hair safe and then add hair. You want to be able to increase your hair volume and not have a side effect of additional hair loss or speeded up hair loss. Remember that.